You think you are watching the TV? You need to do your research, my friend, because the TV is equally watching you. Did you know that the smart TVs we have in our houses, they have a micro hidden camera that can be used to watch and record everything that is happening in your house? The smart TVs are nothing but a computer, because for as long as the TV has a web browser, it is connected to Wi-Fi, then anything can be done to it. It can be used to spy on you. Because I have seen, and it makes it worse, to those people who are using their TV to download applications that can even be used to transfer money and have access to their bank accounts. It makes the whole thing way much worse. So you need to understand that the social media platforms that we are using, they are not as free as you think they are. You can sit down and watch your TV for hours and you're not paying for it. You think you are not paying for it, but you are, because TikTok is free to use, Facebook is free to use, Instagram is free to use, X is free to use, YouTube the same. All those social media platforms are free to use, only that you happen to pay just a few coins for the bundles. But the people who own those social media platforms, they are billionaires. They are in the top list of the richest people in the world. So do you think they are really free? Or is it that they have found a way to use your time and your energy and they convert it into money? Is it possible that they are able to monetize your time and your energy and they can be able to get it into their bank accounts? I want you to be hyper vigilant. You think you are alone in the house? You're being watched. With every download, with every search, with every social media account, with every photo you upload, with every conversation, every message. Because some of you think that the end-to-end encrypted messages that you usually send, they are not being watched, but they are. There is no safety or security anymore in social media. You are not safe for as long as you have a social media gadget access in your house. A friend of mine the other day was telling me that he was having a chat with his friend via WhatsApp. And he was telling the friend that there's this and that movie that I really long to watch and I have not watched it for a long time. And he was telling the friend that when I get time, I'll make sure that I watch the movie. And he said, or he mentioned the title of the movie. Guess what happens? After that conversation, he goes on TikTok and the first video on For You page is actually a short clip of the movie that he was telling the friend he has not watched for a long time. And the next series of videos were actually on the same content. Goes on YouTube, the first video recommendation, same movie. And you think you are alone? You think they are not watching? You think no one is spying on you? The algorithm as you know it on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, it just doesn't correct your search data. It can lead your mind and know the thoughts through which you are vibrating on. It can lead your thought energy. And it can be able to tell what's your dominant thought, because the outside is a reflection of the inside. Your dominant thoughts are manifested in the physical external reality. So you want to be careful on the thoughts you are resonating on the thoughts you are having, your dominant thoughts. You want to be careful about that. And yes, they are watching every move, every thought, every interaction. So I want you to go on Google and search the type of your TV and ask the Google, where could the camera to this kind of a TV be hidden? And these days, don't think that a camera is something that you can be able to see. Even something as thin as a piece of paper can be programmed to become a camera. And the cameras on the TVs, they don't have an LED such that you see a little light and actually realize there is something. They don't. It's just something on the screen somewhere that is hidden. And remember, as I conclude, the TVs, the phones, they use what? The black mirror. The black mirror is not just a mirror. It's something that sometimes is even used as portals that can be used to transport someone from this point to the other point. It's even used in magic. It's used by the witches. You need to do your research. So my friend, the digital world that we are living in right now is not just for advancement. It's taking away your energy. It's taking away your time. It is distracting you from going inwards and getting to be in tune with the true nature of who you are. You are being distracted by the social media, by the entertainment industry, so that you don't have time to relax, settle down, listen, and get in tune with understanding and awareness of who you are. Because they want you to stay asleep. They don't want you to be awake, so that they can continue sucking and getting what they are getting from you. So my friend, it's time for you to switch off the external and the thought noises so that you can be able to concentrate and focus on what is happening within you. Because nothing is free. The platforms, they are not free. They are getting something from you, and it's so valuable. They make sure that they design the social media platforms as addictive as possible so that they can hook you there for as long as possible. Wake up, people. Your eyes don't see the reality. Your ears don't hear the reality. This, your eyes see and your ears hear the illusion of the mind. Because the reality is not out there, it is in your mind. You don't see out, you see in. It's time to wake up.